Hey guys, so today I will be making corned beef brisket with fried potatoes and squash. So for the next 24 hours I had to rinse the brisket in water to allow all the salt out. So now I am cleaning the potatoes before I cut them. I cut them in half. And then I cut them in half again to create cubes.
But if it's all down, my killers don't tell. Said my mother knew you have to sell. My bitch in the hell.
So now I'm rinsing off the squash before I cut it.
If you wasn't for like days, 10 days with your life months. Went on for you on your night ones. Like you fast me to the in the meantime, I just got the way I want.
It's the meantime.
In the meantime, I just got the way I want.
It's the meantime. We don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, I got myself. Don't leave myself up my well.
Now I am taking the salt water off of the corned beef brisket. And I'm going to be spraying the pan with Pam. And then I place the biscuit in it and poke holes on each side to be sure that all of the seasonings get in. So to season it, I'm going to be using garlic powder, pepper, onion powder, and then I'm also going to put these beads on it that came with it. And I'm going to cover it and cook it in the oven on 300 for 2.5 hours. Now I'm putting the potatoes onto a cooking sheet. And I season those with olive oil, garlic powder, pepper, and onion powder. Now I'm going to allow the potatoes to cook for 45 minutes. Now I'm making the squash. And I season it with pepper and 2 sticks of butter. Mix it up to make sure it's cool. Close it and let it steam. Now that it's steaming, I just make sure that it's cooked. So now that the brisket has been cooking for 2.5 hours, I'll go ahead and I'll put the onions on there. then I let it cook in the oven again for another 2 hours and 30 minutes. And this is how it came out. I was really craving some biscuits, so I decided to make it. If this is a meal that you guys want to make, go ahead and do it for yourself. Don't be afraid to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Do y'all.